In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on color filters on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to enable or turn on color filters, this video is going to walk you through. So if you're done on this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when turning off color filters, you need to know that your Apple Watch color will change from whatever color it is to the color you selected under the color filters. So if you want to do this, then just press the digital crown once and go back to the clock face. While on the clock face, press it again and go to the app menu. On the app menu, click on settings. Then you want to scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to accessibility and click on that. Now once you selected accessibility, scroll down and locate color filters. Here you can see color filter can be used to differentiate colors by users who are color blind and aid users to have difficulties reading text on the display. Then go ahead and click on color filters. Then turn this on. Once that is enabled, go back to the app screen or clock face. You should see the color filters enabled like this. So this is the function of color filters on your Apple Watch. Now go back again to the color filters page on settings. Then you can choose the combination of color filters you want to use, like red-green filters, green-red filter, and blue-yellow filter. You see that? So once you select this is going to affect straight on the app menu. You see that? Then that's how you can easily turn on color filter on Apple Watch. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.